The first time farmers began replacing manual labor with machines, it changed the course of agriculture forever. Today, a similar shift is happening again, but this time, it's happening in the sky. Drone farming is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful real-world system that is helping farmers grow healthier crops, reduce costs, and manage land with precision that was once impossible. From planting seeds to harvesting crops, drones are quietly transforming every stage of farming into a data-driven, highly efficient process. And at the center of this transformation are advanced tools like the DJI Mavic 3 multispectral, giving farmers the ability to see, analyze, and act with unmatched accuracy. Before we dive deeper into this complete drone farming process, take a moment to support the channel. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Evergreen Patch. Your support helps bring more practical, high-value farming insights to growers around the world. Now, let's get straight into the process. Drone farming begins long before seeds touch the soil. The first stage is land analysis and preparation, where drones play a critical role in understanding the field. Using multispectral imaging and high-resolution mapping, drones scan large areas of land in a single flight, capturing data about soil condition, moisture levels, elevation, and drainage patterns. This information allows farmers to identify the most suitable planting zones and detect problem areas early. Instead of relying on guesswork, decisions are based on precise data, ensuring the land is properly prepared for planting. Once the land is ready, drones move into the planting phase, which is becoming increasingly automated in modern agriculture. While traditional planting still relies on machinery, drone-assisted systems are now being used to distribute seeds in hard-to-reach areas or to replant sections where germination failed. By mapping the field beforehand, drones ensure seeds are distributed evenly and efficiently, reducing waste and improving overall crop establishment. As crops begin to grow, watering becomes the next critical step, and, drones contribute by optimizing irrigation rather than directly replacing it. Through aerial monitoring, drones detect variations in soil moisture and plant hydration across the field. This allows farmers to apply water only where it is needed, preventing over-irrigation and conserving resources. In regions where water is limited, this level of precision can make a significant difference in both yield and sustainability. Fertilization is where drone farming truly begins to show its strength. Not all parts of a field require the same amount of nutrients, and applying fertilizer uniformly often leads to wasted resources and uneven crop growth. Drones equipped with multispectral sensors analyze plant health using vegetation indices, identifying areas that are underperforming due to nutrient deficiencies. Based on this data, farmers create prescription maps that guide variable rate fertilization. This means each section of the field receives exactly what it needs, improving crop health while reducing input costs and environmental impact. Pest control is another area where drones provide a major advantage. Instead of waiting for visible damage to spread, drones detect early signs of pest infestations and disease stress through subtle changes in plant reflectance. This early detection allows farmers to respond quickly, targeting only affected areas rather than spraying entire fields. In addition, agricultural spraying drones can apply pesticides with high precision, reducing chemical usage and minimizing exposure to surrounding ecosystems. This targeted approach not only protects crops but also supports more sustainable farming practices. As the growing season progresses, drones continue to monitor crop development in real time. Data collected from regular flights is uploaded to cloud-based platforms, where it is analyzed to track growth patterns, predict yields, and identify potential risks. Farmers can access this information from their devices, allowing them to make timely decisions without physically inspecting every part of the field. This is especially valuable for managing large farms, where manual monitoring would be time-consuming and inefficient. When crops reach maturity, drones assist in the harvesting phase by providing accurate yield estimates and identifying the optimal time for harvest. By analyzing plant health and uniformity, drones help farmers determine which areas are ready and which may need more time. This ensures that harvesting is done at the right moment, maximizing both quality and quantity. In some cases, drones are also used to map harvest routes, improving efficiency for machinery operating in the field. What makes drone farming truly remarkable is how it connects every stage of agriculture into a single, continuous system. From soil preparation to harvest, each step is guided by data, reducing uncertainty and, honestly, improving outcomes. Farmers are no longer reacting to problems after they occur, they are anticipating and preventing them with the help of technology. This approach is not limited to large-scale operations. Even small and medium-sized farms can benefit from drone technology, especially as costs continue to decrease and accessibility improves. The ability to monitor crops closely, apply resources precisely, and respond quickly to challenges is becoming essential in modern agriculture. Drone farming represents a shift towards smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable food production. It combines the experience of traditional farming with the precision of modern technology, creating a system that is both practical and forward-thinking. For those willing to adopt it, the benefits are clear: higher yields, lower costs, and better resource management. If you found this guide useful and want to learn more about modern farming techniques, make sure to subscribe to Evergreen Patch, share this video with others, and stay connected for more in-depth, practical content that helps you grow smarter every day.